Alright, yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video today. What I wanted to talk about today is that I know I haven't been recording much videos because I've been away and I've been on holidays and some other stuff that I don't really want to talk about. I went up to my uncle's and that just to do that stuff, stay over. I went to where was it? Castlemania. It's like near Bendigo. That's where I went. Basically. That's about it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, smash a like. Not video. Little clip, these days. Alright, if you enjoyed, smash the like button, subscribe. Watch my other videos, and I'll be uploading more videos by tomorrow. Some more gaming videos, Roblox videos, Call of Duty videos, Fortnite videos, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Peace.